There are 3 or 4 features of Tana that really differentiate it from its peers. One of them is Supertags. And as you'll see in this video, Supertags really are much more than just a simple tag. But first, what can you tag? Well, as you see here, you can either tag a whole line or a whole node, like that, by just typing the # and then the name of the tag. Or you can select part of a line and add a tag just to that part, either by clicking in this contextual toolbar that appears, or I just type the # and then whatever I want to apply to that. In this case, let's call it new. Notice the difference in how they appear. When you tag an entire line, the node has the color of that tag, and the note itself is listed at the end. On the other hand, when you tag within a line, it creates a reference. This right here is now a reference. You don't see the new tag, do you? If you click on the reference though, and open it, now you see this is the reference node. This and any other tags that might be applied to it would be right here. You see the new tag. You've probably noticed this little X that appears. You can use that to remove a tag from anything. Boom. In addition to using existing tags, you can also create new tags this way. So hashtag newly created tag. Doesn't exist yet. I hit Command Enter. I just created a new tag, and this is the first reference of it. Just like that. And I know that one of the things when I first saw tags in action, I was wondering, do I need to add a space or not? You don't need to. You see there's no space at the end here, and I type in, I made a test tag previously, type that in. It adds a little space between the tag and the text regardless. And finally, you don't have to have text first and then use a tag. You can have a tag. Let's say I have an idea, and I know that I have an idea, but I don't know how to express it yet. This is the expression of the idea. Okay, cool. So you type hashtag idea, hit enter, and then I didn't need to move the cursor. The cursor automatically went to the beginning of the line. And now I have a fully tagged idea here. Now, when you see tags, you can interact with them. Like I said, you can remove a tag. You can also click on a tag, and what happens there, you'll get a home view. And the default is to have a search view that is a table. And so you click that, and from now on, whenever you click on the idea tag, it will return everything that you've ever tagged as an idea. If you have a question about this video, or you'd like to request a future video, drop a comment below. This video is part of a playlist called Tana Bits, so check out the other videos there. And subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updates on any future content.